play with your food, because you know what? Sometimes you get a craving. When you're on keto, sometimes you crave pizza. And tonight, I'm having some low-carb wraps topped with Rao's tomato sauce, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of mozzarella. That is real good. You want the recipe? No problem. Very simple. The wrap, I use this Greek lifestyle low-carb wraps. Taste delicious. They're like real bread. So I use this as the base. For the sauce, I use Rao's tomato sauce, marinara, about 3 tablespoons. Spread it out. Then I put some of this Tillamook whole milk cheese on it, mozzarella cheese. Then whatever toppings you want. I put green peppers, some onions. If you have some pepperoni, you could sprinkle that on there. Put them in the oven, about 350 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. Or I did about 8 minutes to get the bottom really crispy, and then have at it.